And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they say there. Cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air.
I'm here with Dominique Franks to my right and Robert Meachem to my left. They will be taking part in the Who Dat Dirty Birds Celebrity Weekend on June 21st through the 24th in Tulsa, Oklahoma. They've got a couple events organized. But first, tell me a little bit about your foundation and the Dream Scholarship.
The foundation started as far as to help underprivileged kids to realize their dream.
All right, and about the Dream Scholarship that you guys have. Tell me a little bit about that.
This whole weekend is promoting for the Dream Scholarship. It's for underprivileged kids that have good grades in school and they don't have enough money to get the scholarship that they need or to go to college. So we want to help everybody understand that going to college is a great thing.
And so, Dominique, tell me a little bit about the events that you guys have planned this weekend.
First event we have is a youth football camp. You know, it's between the ages of 10 to 18 at Booker Washington High School from 9 to 2. But to be able to come to the camp, you have to go to any Tulsa City/county library to get your FYDF card before you can register at
www.fydf.org/register.
So that's how you get involved with the football camp. And now I heard you guys have a celebrity basketball contest. So tell people a little bit about that, like who's going to be playing and how to get tickets for that.
How to get tickets is you go to the BOK Center. There's going to be other places where you can register to get tickets. We have big name guys as we have Jacoby Jones from the Houston Texans, Arian Foster from the Houston Texans, Tracy Porter from the New Orleans Saints/Denver Broncos. And we have two legends, Ryan Humphrey and Evie Ra, and Dominique has his OU buddies that he grew up with playing. I'll let him name those guys.
All right.
And also my OU buddies, you know, we have Mr. Blake Griffin, Gerald McCoy, you know, Sam Bradford. We have Moses Ledoux, Reggie Smith. So, you know, I think it's going to be a good weekend and, you know, great for the fans. But also, you was talking about getting tickets. You can go to www.fydf.org/tickets to be able to go online and purchase your tickets in case you're not in the area. My jump shot is definitely better than Robert's. You know, so if we disagree, we can always have a shoot contest during the game.
Do you feel like you're a better overall player than Robert?
Definitely, yes.
What separates you from Robert?
Well, we already said my shooting is better. I am the ball better, but, you know, so when we play, we like to post it up, so we look good and we look good. You know, that's it, but all around game, the game is different.
What about defensively?
Defensively, me, so much quicker than he is.
How many points do you think Robert will score on you?
On me, during the game,
Yes.
I give him like 3 free throws.
3 free throws.
Yeah, I say good. I think he'll miss one.
Make sure you say it to the camera.
3 points, all on free throws.
Sometimes people have real dreams in life, and that's why we came up with the foundation for your dreams. And that's all we do.
All right. So, you think you're going to score more points than him on June 23rd?
Yes. And my team is going to win.
And you think your team's going to win? Why?
Yes, because I'm playing, and God gave me